back to the channel, OG Superfly Garage. Behind me, I have the Black Widow. And I'm very embarrassed right now because she's extremely dirty, as you can tell. Bird poop, this and that, and a lot of dust. So she's really dirty, kind of embarrassed. So don't focus on the dirt. Focus on the end product, okay? So, but today, we're gonna put on different wheels on this car. These Cobra replica wheels, they're 17 by 8.5. And so since the car is lowered with Eibach Sportline springs, sets really low in the front, and so it begins to rub really bad on the fenders. So I have some Saleen replica wheels that are all chrome. Showed you guys those in a previous video. And so I'm gonna put those on. The front wheels on those are 17 by 8. So, and with these Cobra wheels, either they rub on the A-arm or on the fender, especially when it's lower. So we're gonna swap those out. Stay tuned. Wheel talk, safety first. Under the frame rail. A-arms here. Well, this is a typical Oregon day. I had to put this over my shirt because it is raining. I'm a little out of breath, but we're getting her done. So there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are brand new sway bars from Eibach. And you see the mark here, that's from the rim. So definitely had to change these wheels out. So once you have the jack stands under it, obviously that's for safety. In case the jack gives way. What now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower it down to where it rests on the jack stand. There's only 4. One down. .235/45 17s. Toyo R888R. One on the front. That's plastic that protects the cover. When they mounted the wheels, they pulled it forward so it'd be easy to take off. I'm using new lug nuts. There's nothing wrong with the other ones, but I just wanted to use the new ones that I bought over a year ago. Trying to figure this out. There's something down here. It looks like it should have a hose connected to it, but I don't see a hose. So the car has been having an issue with not wanting to running rich and this and that. Just doesn't really sound like it should. And so I'm looking at this right here. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a hose connected to that or not. So I'm gonna have to do research on that. If anybody knows, let me know. Trying to get is under what they call a pumpkin or the differential, because that'll support the weight of the car. We are good. This is a quad shock here. Helps to stabilize the axle, gives the car a better ride. So with a wide wheel, it may hit here, and so you want to flip the quad shock like that. Have the fat end down here, skinny end up here. And it should give you the clearance that you need. Going on the rear of the car, the 275 40 17 on the 10-inch rim. So what I'm looking for is only hitting the quad shock underneath. Yep. Hitting the quad shock. So we're gonna have to flip it. Bring you underneath here. The tire is rubbing, hitting the quad shock right there. So I'm gonna have to flip the quad shock. Too big. Too small. Flip it. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but the quad shock has been flipped and now there's plenty of space. Well, maybe not. Really. I'll have to get a spacer. Well, stay tuned. wheel spacer. Hopefully I have enough thread. That's gonna be tight, bro. I don't know. I'm using a cross pattern, so here and then here and back here, so that enables the wheel to get pushed down evenly when you do a cross pattern. Well, all done, wheels are on, quad shocks are still in place, but as you can tell, I ran out of daylight. Look at my back, I'm dirty, I'm soaking wet, but in my carport, got it done. So you too can do this, and you can have fun doing it. Until next time, hit that like and that subscribe button, and have a good day.